Is it Christmas tree or holiday tree? I don't even know.
Let's get out there, way.
Well, I'm out of here. See
Are
ya.
they gonna get on? Yeah,
Just make a run for it.
Yeah. There ain't no one coming. Go for it. If they want to catch us, they got us on camera. Yeah, we're good.
Yeah.
Yeah, they ain't coming for us. We'll be alright. If we stole it, it's their fault. We put it across that gap.
We need to do it. Man, I see it now. I'm blind. I literally cannot think of something, dude.
Man,
I am blind.
For shit, Mom. You got everything fucked up with you. Hold this, John.
Holding. Oh, not yet.
You lied.
I'm alive as shit. Get used to it. Belay.
You gotta watch that thing that comes down.
He knows his car.
Are you trying to tell me how to pack my car?
No.
Pedal 3 on belay.
You're the one that on the way.
My cabbages! No. Now we're at Hops Marketplace. Dude, what's that? Yeah, Mom. She's done a salvation home. How nice. That's salvation home, I'm not sure. It was Ram! 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 Our door's locked or unlocked? Okay. They are unlocked. Come on, Linda and Carl. It's on the end of the video.
Where did they?
There's spotted the dog we're looking for. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do, Jack? What are we gonna do? You think you're gonna get me? Come right, my little doggy. Yeah, right, my little doggy. Yeah, you're staring me down now. Oh, know what's going on. I hope you guys enjoying these bunch of random clips. That sky looks beautiful. This whole thing looks amazing. I'm not even high. Oh, yes. That's not high. Anyway. Oh, wait. Run me. Run me. Hope you guys enjoying this video. I want to chip over your rat. Chase you down now, boy. Chase you down now, boy. Hope you guys are enjoying this videos. A lot of random things. This day I was at home. Been doing it. Hope you enjoy this. Dusma. Hope you guys are doing a video. Dan's back, did some fun. Dan's not gone yet, but the way set, speaker, access button. And Dan just went and bought a truck off his friend.
That makes sense. Yeah, guys, what
Now, National Guard. Yes, our National Guard.
Where did you see that at?
On the back windshield.
Yeah, I need to watch that.
Oh gosh. Anyway. Yeah. I'm doing what? It'll work. Takes time to get the thing run the way we want it to run. How well we're doing this. Me, smart duel. Anyway. Let's go walk around here real fast. Wait, Jack. And this to the video, so I'm gonna stop Jack. What you doing, boy? What you doing, boy? What you doing, boy? Come on, boy. Come on. Is she a good dog? Is she a good dog? Are you recording? I can't see the videos. Oh, it's gonna take about an hour worth of editing, guys. Hope you are enjoying this video. See Jack over there.